Hello YouTube, this is Oliver from 3D Vision. Just a little video to show you an update on a poison ivy face that I've just printed. See, she come out pretty nice. Got a little bit of finishing to do. That's the kind of finish you're aiming for, everyone. Is a print like that. That's pretty good. So happy days. Like I said, I put a picture of the whole print up when it's done, but it'll be in a couple of weeks' time. But it's just to show you all what you can achieve with a FDM printer. My printer is dialed in really well, to be fair, and that is printed with a 0.2 nozzle. You can see the detail that you can get and how nice it comes out. And if you like this video, please tick the like box because it'll help me and help my channel. And that was printed on Neptune 4 Plus with a 0.2 nozzle. Thanks for watching. Bye now.